Friends, if you are suffering from acne or any skin problems or rashes or anything like that, whether the acne is on your face, your body, on your private area, under your arms, well, it doesn't really matter where the acne is. But what I'm going to tell you is that this video, natural homemade soap, will help you. It's for children. It's really good for children and us adults too, men and women. So friends, without any further ado, let's go ahead and proceed to the making of this soap. And we're going to need this black, our natural diamond African black soap. Here it is. Alone is good, but you want it to be good. All right. And also, African black soap can be sometimes dry, really dry for skin. So if you have a very sensitive skin or natural skin, well, by making this way, it will help you. All right, I use it all the time for my children, the whole family. So let's do this. If you can easily break it like this, just put it in your bowl and put a little water on it. Do not put it on a fire or in a microwave. Try to make it soft. You will kill all the goodness. All right, so the best way to make your black soap soft is to just break it a little and put a little water on it. Leave it for a few minutes or an hour, and it will be nice and soft. This one I don't have to work so much because you can see it's breaking. So here is our black soap. This is it. And now we're going to put all the easy ingredients in it. You know, this is for a lot of people, like I said. And we take shower twice a day. So this is it. All right. Next ingredient, coffee. After making this, friends, you will come back in the comment section and write a comment. Like, it is really good. Your skin will be nice and clean. You will feel it. You will know. You will see it. Coffee. I just measure everything with my eyes. Right here. Coffee. Next, I have honey. I make this all the time, like I said. So not really any measurement I will give you. It depends how much the quantity you are making. All right. Right here, honey is really good. Like all the germs, everything that is giving you the rash, all the rashes and the acne. Natural honey. Next, I have olive oil. We all know olive oil is good for skin. Right here, not too much. 1 spoon of this is good enough. Next, we have palm oil. This is pure natural palm oil made in Africa. Friends, it's not just for cooking. Palm oil is really good. Your skin, yourself, you will see. I'm going to tell you that we're not going to put anything to preserve this because I'm using all natural things, natural ingredients. So I'm not going to use anything to preserve this soap. Last but not least, yes, green tea. green tea is really good too. It's not just for drinking. I mean, anything, most thing that you can eat can be good for the outside too. So we will put green tea in it. Yeah. So now, friends, I will put some water inside my soap. Yummy, right? Please don't eat this. It looks so good. That's why I say yummy. Friends, this is our soap. And all I'm going to do right now is to just cover this for 24 hours. So tomorrow about this time, we're going to open it and we're ready to go. All right. I'm not going to use any expensive machine to mix it or anything. Don't be bothered by that. All right. By then, everything will be dissolved. All the things we put in will be infused in it. So see you tomorrow. Friends, this is what my black soap looks like. And I'm going to mix everything together. As you can see, it's nicely infused with all the things we put in, right? So I'm going to mix it and put in my bowls. That's it. Uneek. So friends, this is the final step. Look, your skin will be flawless. Acne, rashes, gone. Be sure you use sponge, good sponge like this one to scrub your body really good when you are taking a shower 2 times a day, and you will see the difference. Black soap is really good, and this mixture right here is the best. Please share this video. Make this for your family member. Make it for yourself. You know yourself, to love yourself more. Treat yourself. Be nice to yourself. Share this wonderful video. Like it. Like this video. It helps a lot. If you are not yet subscribed, please do subscribe. I hope to see you again next time on Uneek.